rate cut coming in from the MPC. This time, the central bank has slashed interest rates by 50 bips to 5.5%. And that surpassed the street's expectations of a 25 bips cut. RBI has now cumulatively cut rates by 100 bips ever since the rate cut cycle began this February. And that's quite significant. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra, however, added that there is now limited room to support growth while changing stance to neutral from accommodative. Let's listen into what RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra had to say in a press conference that was held earlier today after the MPC's decision came about.
The MPC decided to reduce, which is widely expected, the policy repo rate under the liquidity adjustment facility by 50 basis points to 5.5%. I repeat, the reduction recommended by the MPC is for 50 basis points to 5.5%. This is with immediate effect. Consequently, the standing deposit facility rate, which is the STF rate, shall stand adjusted to 5.25%.
In fact, the RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra announced that final gold loan regulations will be released today or on Monday, which will include raising the loan-to-value ratio for gold loans under 2.5 lakh rupees from 85% from the current 75%. In fact, both Manappuram and Muthoot Finance soared in trade today. Let's listen into what the governor had to say on gold loans in particular.
जो गोल्ड लोन के बारे में जो हमने रेगुलेशंस जारी किए थे वो केवल ड्राफ्ट थे, मसौदा थे, वो फाइनल नहीं थे। आपको ये भी बताना चाहूंगा कि हमने अब एक फ्रेमवर्क रेगुलेशन मेकिंग के लिए हमने एक जारी किया है, जो सबको हमने पब्लिक नोटिस के थ्रू हमने सबको बताया है कि कोई भी मेजर जब भी हम कोई परिपत्र या रेगुलेशन या डायरेक्शन इशू करेंगे तो उससे पहले हम दो चीजें करेंगे। एक चीज हम कंसल्टेशन करेंगे, दूसरा हम उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट है उसका हम स्टडी करेंगे। तो मेरे ख्याल से आज ही हम जो है उसका फाइनल जो रेगुलेशन है, फाइनल डायरेक्शन है, आज नहीं तो एट द मोस्ट मंडे सोमवार तक हम उसको जारी कर देंगे। महत्वपूर्ण जो प्रश्न एलटीवी से ही संबंधित है वो 75% हमने उसमें अभी आज के दिन में हमने ड्राफ्ट डाला था। उस 75% को हम छोटे लोन्स के लिए 85% तक करने का हमारा प्रस्ताव है। 85% छोटे लोन्स के लिए, बिलो 2.5 लाख के लोन्स के लिए पर बोरोवर 85%, लेकिन इस 85% में इंटरेस्ट जो है वो भी इंक्लूड करना होगा।
And experts say that the CRR cut that's come in is a welcome move, and they touch upon the impact of this liquidity boost in the overall economy and system. Let's listen into what experts had to tell to us earlier in the day today.
The Reserve Bank has front-loaded quite a large cut in repo rate and also larger cut in the CRR. That is, they were going to really mention that he is front-loading the whatever possible monetary policy and liquidity action that Reserve Bank can take, and he also cautioned that this is the thing that we can do. Hereafter, heavyweight will have to be taken by implication by fiscal policy.
CRR reduction of 100 basis point will certainly help in terms of cost of funds. It will certainly improve the cost of funds. You know, what will happen is that when this transmission really happens, so actually speaking, there would have been a pressure on the NIM. So I think with this reduction in the CRR by another 100 basis point, it will actually help the banks in protecting their NIM also.
Now we are probably at the stage between RBI OMO, the dollar swap, and the RBI dividend and CRR cut. About 12 lakh crore of liquidity has been imparted into the system. So we will see first parallel move down on yield curve, then short yield curve coming further down, and eventually long end of the curve also coming down little bit.
Well, let's now take a look at how the D Street performed during this week. Well, the Nifty snapped its 2-week